friends, this is Megan and I am back today finally with my first layout for my December 2020 album. Okay, so here you can see I am going through the process of figuring out what I want to use for this first page. So this photo is from day 3 and it is just going to be a photo or a 4x6 photo, as you can see. So I'm just going to do a 6x8 page for this one, and I'm going to keep it super simple. I really love how this one turned out. It's super duper cute. So here you can see I am going to be cutting down the paper, the 12x12 paper. So this came, I believe, from a paper pad from Michael's last year, which was 2020. And I just pulled all of the pages apart so that I didn't have to keep all of them if I didn't want them. And I think some of them I did give away. So now here I am going to start adding some embellishments to this. I decided to pull out these ones. I don't remember who these came from. I want to say Pretty Little Studio. But again, I don't know because I didn't have them in a package. So I'm going to pull out those tags and I'm going to glue those down to that top right area. And then, excuse me, sorry. I'm going to cut the bottoms off of them and I'm going to glue that part at the bottom of the photo. So I really, really love how that turned out. Super duper simple, and this is about it. I think I add a few enamel dots, the number 3 to the bottom so that I can document the day. And I'm going to glue the photo down, and then that is about it. So I am keeping it super simple with these December daily pages this year, or for 2020, and I'm absolutely loving it and having so much fun. I was scrapbooking with Hannah on Saturday. Was it Saturday? Friday night. I was scrapbooking. She was just kind of chilling and sitting by her tree, but I had so much fun. I got 3 scrapbooking pages done. I was like, look at me go. This is so cool. So I now have days. So this day is done, and then I'm also on this video. After this one is done, I'm going to do days 3 or 4, 5, and 6 on one pocket page. Because those photos, there were only really small photos for those, and they weren't huge, significant photos. So I just decided to put them on one pocket page. So now here you can just see me kind of going through different ephemera and embellishments, and I decide to just keep it simple, and I'm going to pull out this cute little pink, what is it, candy cane, and I'm going to stick that up there at the top, not at the bottom, at the top, there you go, with the tags. And then that is going to be it for this layout. I really love this one. I think this one is my favorite one so far that I've done, because I've made it all the way to day 11. No, day 12? Something like that. Okay, now we're going to move on to 3, 4, 5, or sorry, 4, 5, 6. So like I said, I'm just going to do 4 pockets, 3x4 pockets for this one. And I'm going to pull out a bunch of embellishments, and I'm not sure if I even finished this page. So you might actually get to see the finished page as a picture, because I think I didn't come back. I decided to get off and not scrapbook anymore. And so that might be something that I do. So you might see like a few days here and a few days there. And then it's like, I'll skip a bunch of pages and then you'll see a few more pages or a few more days. So don't count on seeing the whole album as a process video, especially where I'm trying to catch up this year. I imagine this month I will work through 2020 December daily, and then January I will work on probably 2021 December daily, because I am taking photos this year and I already have an album and everything. And so yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep up and do it for this year. I just want to make sure I get the 2020 year scrapped. There's a lot of fun things that happen, and it's like little things too. And I guess that's what I just love about this project, is that nothing has to be huge. It's just fun things that happen in the month of December. So here I have this little teeny tiny photo. It's like 1 by 1, and it was Tinian's phone. So I think Mark and I had been out shopping for the kids or something on this day, and we happened to see this pop socket, and it was a shark that had a Santa hat on. I think it's like jumping out of the water, and it has a Santa hat on the tip of his nose. And so I was like, oh my God, we have to get that for Tinian. So we did, and we didn't give it to him for Christmas. We just kind of gave it to him for fun before Christmas, because obviously if we waited until Christmas, it wouldn't have been as fun of a little gift, you know, because it would have been already past Christmas. But I'm pretty sure he still has it on there, and he's worn it all year long, or he's had it on there all year long. So he loves it. I decided to use these cute little birds. I was kind of going to do like a little theme, like a little birdie told me, or something like that, like you love sharks, but I didn't end up actually finishing that theme. I just put the birds down and moved on. So that is day number 4, the one of Tinian's phone. And then day number 5 is this one of Piper laying on my bed, and that is my side of the bed. I have one of those like between your knee pillows that goes, it's like a body pillow, but it like goes all the way around you so that it can comfort your back as well. And I absolutely love this pillow. It's amazing. Mark found it for me on Amazon, but Piper loves it too. And she so last year we had a different comforter, and the dogs actually ripped that comforter up because their nails get so long, and just it was so gross. So we ended up buying a new one this year, and Mark has said dogs not allowed. So they're not allowed because we want to actually keep this one nice. So I think it makes Piper sad. But so this photo is extra special because she looks super cute and peaceful laying in my little pillow. Okay, so I'm just going to write on this one about Tinian's phone, about how Mark and I were at Target and saw this cool pop socket, and we knew that Tinian would love it. So we got it for him. Then I am going to keep the photo of Tinian and the shopping cart simple. I'm just going to leave that one the way it is. But the card next to it will be the journaling card for that one. And I'm going to use a pretty tag and just do some simple journaling on it. And then that is going to be it for that layout. So here you go. Here are both of the layouts. I absolutely love how they turned out. And I hope that you enjoyed this process video. How is your December daily coming along this year?